Hi, welcome back. Another important learning in Excel and function. With live examples, I'm going to explain you. So if you would like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. Let's quickly get back to our serious session. Okay. So here you go. I have framed or else fabricated or designed one quick table here. So this is the name of the employee, and this is the technology in IT where they are working. This is the employee number, and this is the experience with that company. Okay. And this is the appraisal rating. Okay. So now we have to decide that. Okay. So our criteria should be like, okay, experience should be more than EXP is greater than or equal to 4 years. Okay. And rating, okay, appraisal rating should be greater than or equal to, again, this is also 3, okay, and the criteria. And technology should be Java, okay. So for them, we're giving hike and promotion. So we have, suppose you have this, here you are going ahead around 20 plus rows, but in real time, if you would like to calculate it, you should require, like, your company is 1,000 size, or else it can be 10,000 size or a 1 lakh size. You can able to use the same example. So I'll just show you two cases how to use and functionality equal to, okay, take the and, okay, starts. We have to give all these three logics. Okay, what is the logic? Either you can able to manually type and select the cell. So let's take the rating, okay, greater than or equal to 3. Okay, this is my first logic. And second is experience. Experience should be, again, greater than or equal to 4. Okay, I'm just giving in this example. It can be anything. Okay, and what about our technology? Technology equal to, equal to Java. Okay, we're looking for Java only, right? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's close this. Now let's check the criteria. Okay, true. Okay, so here, if you look at this, experience is greater than or equal to 4 means is experience 5, all good. Rating should be greater than or equal to 3. This is all good. And technology equal to Java. Okay, once we'll try to drop down for other technologies also, and for the same technology, any criteria is missing. Okay, if you look at this, let's go for false. Okay, anyhow, this is SAP. So we're looking for only Java. That's why it won't work. Let's go for any Java is going to be false. Okay, here till now everything is true. Okay, this is false. Why it is false? Because rating. Okay, so if I click here, a rating should be greater than or equal to 3 actually, but it is 2. That's why it's a false condition. Okay, so this is how we can able to use the and. So I would like to give you more flexibility. Like we're just trying to see, previously you have learned if error, right? So if and how we can able to use it, that I will show you now. Okay, so my criteria is like this. If, okay, immediately starts, and I'm taking and, okay, so and I'll just take the same criteria. Okay, so hike, so rating greater than or equal to 3, first condition, and go to the second condition, experience greater than or equal to 4. I'm good, and I'm going for third condition, so which is equal to Java. Okay, apart from that, so if and I'm using actually, so see, and whatever the logic you have retained, you can able to see this. This is in red color. So this is what the logic need to be satisfied on my if condition. And apart from that, so if it is true, it need to trigger one value. If it is false, it need to trigger another value. Probably like you can able to say that if it is true, hike with promotion. Okay, hike with promotion. This is what it says. If it is false, okay, only hike. We have a chances, right? Okay, this is another condition. Okay, we're going to justify it. Okay, let's try to press enter. First guy, criteria met. So wherever the false is there he will get only hike. Okay, so that's what you have to do it. So let me put it. So only hike. Let me put the text. You can edit it also. Let's try to drop down this one. See, so now look at this. If this above criteria, okay, so your technology experience and rating is matches, okay, so they would like to give this financial year only for Java performers, okay, so promotion hike, but rest of all, no, only hike, no promotion, okay. This is how you can able to work it. So I think you better understand it how and functionality works. If you really like it, please subscribe my channel, okay. So this is my channel, Rise Your Skills. Here I'm just doing all over this, whatever the skills I have, I'm just distributing in the YouTube channel. So either my SAP skills or Excel skills or corporate skills. Okay, before leaving the industry, thank you so much. Wishing you all the best and have a great day. Stay tuned with me. If you have any doubts, please, you can write comments. If you really like it, and comment it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.